Hi, Mrs. Hobbs here. I would like to just take a moment to share with you the organization of my Schoology courses and just kind of walk you through how to find what you're supposed to do each day. So when you are looking at your screen of all courses, mine looks a little crazy because they're all the same. I'm just going to pick first hour as an example. When you open my course, the first thing you're going to see is a banner with the Google Meet code on it. Now this is first hour, so you'll have to open up your own. And you're going to see the time that your class would be meeting, if we would be meeting that day, and we'll be meeting every day this first week, and the code. So if you want to copy and paste it, you can get that there. So that's the first thing you should see. This week you're going to see an introduction video, which you probably have already watched. And then you're going to see a folder with the week's work and activities in it and the learning that we're going to be doing that week. So this is kind of an outline of what you could expect to do that week. If you scroll a little farther down, you're going to see some reading resources and some ELA resources. We're not quite there yet, but I just wanted you to know that they're there for future things. Once you're ready, you click into the week, and each day is going to have its own folder. I might hide these extra days at the beginning just to keep things very simple and clear. But of course, the first day is Tuesday, so you will click into Tuesday, and then you will see the activity. This one in particular has a video embedded in the instructions as well as written instructions, and then you can get to the activity. So I'm going to work really hard to make sure that you have all the instructions that you need. You'll want to make sure that you submit everything that's to be submitted or that you've done everything. I'll usually have a completion feature that you have to do one before you do the next one. You can't just jump around, and that's because I have one activity that might build on another. So I hope this is clear and look forward to seeing your assignments soon.